in Paris for the Nike on-air event. Let's go inside.
And that was Shelly and Fraser Pryce advertising for the Nike company industry. Now, I made a video recently on this YouTube channel talking about the disrespect that Nike causes on Shelly and Fraser Pryce, and the disrespect was they went ahead releasing a statue of Shericka Jackson in Paris Olympic instead of Shelly and Fraser Pryce. And now it seems like Nike watched my video. Yes, I feel like they have watched my video. Not just my video, many YouTubers, many athletics YouTubers made a video about Nike disrespecting Shelly and Fraser Pryce, and it seems like they have heard our cries and they are compensating Shelly and Fraser Pryce. Now, the first clip video you watch at the beginning of this video is a video of Shelly and Fraser Pryce advertising for Nike, and it's more like a compensation because they made her advertise all these things after the statue of Shericka Jackson was released in Paris Olympic. And guess what? Even the popular United States of America magazine website creator released a shocking statement that it is definitely due to the fact that there were a lot of complaints about Shericka Jackson statue being placed in Paris Olympic instead of Shelly and Fraser Pryce. So the purpose of this video is to let you guys know that Nike has finally responded to the viral reaction from Shelly and Fraser Pryce fans all over the world that she is being disrespected. And what they did was they hosted Shelly and Fraser Pryce to advertise some of their product. You can go to Nike official Instagram account and definitely you are going to see the full video of Shelly and Fraser Pryce advertising the Nike product. So it is safe to say that Nike has responded to the cries of Shelly and Fraser Pryce fans, and they are making sure that everything, and they are making sure that Shelly and Fraser Pryce deserved what she has worked for. Let me hear your opinions in the comment section.